Act 3, Scene 1 of Hamlet, unfolds in the hall of Elsinore Castle, where key characters including Claudius, Gertrude, Polonius, Ophelia, Rosencrantz, and Guildenstern are present. The scene opens with Rosencrantz and Guildenstern reporting to Claudius that Hamlet has been evasive and difficult to understand, but they mention that he is excited for the upcoming play. Claudius then encourages them to maintain their efforts to engage Hamlet. Claudius asks Gertrude to leave so he and Polonius can execute their plan to observe a private interaction between Hamlet and Ophelia, hoping it might reveal the cause of Hamlet's apparent madness. Polonius gives Ophelia a prayer book to pretend to read as a cover for their conversation, even as he acknowledges the sinfulness of such deceit. Both Claudius and Polonius then hide themselves to eavesdrop on the ensuing interaction. Alone on stage, Hamlet delivers one of Shakespeare's most famous soliloquies, To Be or Not to Be, pondering the nature of existence, the appeal and fear of death, and the moral dilemma of suicide. He debates the virtue of enduring life's hardships versus seeking the peace of death, but the fear of the unknown in the afterlife holds him back. Following this philosophical contemplation, Hamlet notices Ophelia and initiates a conversation with her, during which Ophelia tries to return some tokens of affection Hamlet had given her. Hamlet denies having given her anything, which confuses and upsets Ophelia. The conversation quickly deteriorates as Hamlet lashes out, questioning Ophelia's honesty and innocence. He claims that beauty can be deceitful, suggesting that Ophelia may look pure but could still be corrupt inside. He performs a dramatic reversal, first claiming he once loved her, then insisting he never did. Deeply hurt, Ophelia tries to return his gifts, but Hamlet brutally advises her to go to a convent to avoid becoming a breeder of sinners, and reflects bitterly on the vices and deceitfulness he sees pervading society. His tirade includes a broader denunciation of marriage, suggesting it should be avoided altogether. After Hamlet storms out, Ophelia is left devastated, mourning the loss of the noble, intelligent Hamlet she once knew, now seemingly lost to madness. Claudius and Polonius come out of hiding, shaken by what they have witnessed. Claudius decides that Hamlet poses a potential danger and needs to be sent away from Denmark. He proposes sending Hamlet to England, ostensibly on a diplomatic mission, but also as a means to give Hamlet a change of scenery, in hopes it may restore his sanity. Although Polonius agrees with the plan, he suggests that before Hamlet's departure, Gertrude should have a private talk with him to try to uncover the deeper reasons behind his behavior. Claudius concurs, emphasizing the importance of closely monitoring Hamlet in the meantime. This scene is pivotal for presenting Hamlet's existential crisis, illustrating his complex relationship with Ophelia and setting the stage for his eventual dispatch to England, all against the backdrop of the ongoing intrigue and surveillance orchestrated by Claudius and Polonius. Before you go, if this video was helpful to you, please leave a like on the video and let us know in the comments what book you would like us to make a video on next. Thanks for watching. This has been another Bookly Crash Course.